I think it's a very good experience to work with kids, first of all, because I've never worked with kids and it's pretty great actually. Back at home I work with a lot of elderly people with dementia, so this is quite a big difference. Lots of traveling, so that was great. That's also one of the reasons that I came here, for the nature and the beautiful country.
You get to meet so much people and everyone is so nice, and especially in the house they are so looking after me all the time and make sure I'm safe, and also that I can learn what I want to learn. And it's really challenging for me because I never worked before with disabilities like this, with young men as well. So I like it very much. I'm a nursing student from the Netherlands, and in nursing you would not do work like this very often, so it's a very nice experience for me. It's really something different. Can you pull it up now? Good, Stefan. High five.
I chose to work when the boys are here, because some of the boys are going at MIT or school, so they are not here in the day hours. So that's why I choose to work in the evening when the boys are here. So that's really good to talk to them and listen to what they've been experienced, and then also do some activities with the boys. So clever, you can do it yourself.
I always do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Might be thinking about simple jobs and maybe.
Okay, that's very good, Ria. Very good. You're like a pro grader. It's really cool that Spectrum just takes us in as a part of the main staff in the houses, so we get to do all the things that the staff normally does, and that's pretty cool. Have you tried that before?
No!
Sorry? We're trying to make a Danish dish called, do you know what it's called, Ria?
Boller.
Yeah, boller i kaj. And most importantly, the staff in the house is really helpful. Like, they have been answering all my questions twice or 3 times. So it's good to get in the house and then you're still learning, but you have all these nice people that you can ask all your questions.
I've had such a good time here in New Zealand. It has been a very good experience to work with Spectrum Care and traveling all through New Zealand, meeting new people. It's been such a good time.
New Zealand is really awesome. It's a beautiful country and it's a lot different than Denmark. And the people down here is so open-minded and so welcome.
What I've learned during my internship at Spectrum Care is that I am more capable of working with people than I thought I was.